Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to set your Honda Accord seat. First, find the horizontal bar located under the front edge of your seat. Lift this bar to unlock the seat's position. Now, slide the entire seat forward or backward until your feet comfortably reach the pedals. Make sure your knees have a slight bend, not a locked position, when fully pressing the brake and accelerator. This initial adjustment is crucial for both comfort and safety. Next, let's tackle the seatback recline. On the outer side of your seat, you'll find a lever or dial. Use this to adjust the angle of the seat back. Aim for a position where your upper body feels supported without slouching or leaning too far back. If your Accord has adjustable lumbar support, usually a separate dial or button, fine-tune it to fill the natural curve of your lower back for maximum comfort. Now, let's optimize your seat height. Many Honda Accords have a lever on the side that you can pump up or push down to adjust the seat's vertical position. Raise or lower the seat until you have a clear, unobstructed view of the road ahead and all your dashboard instruments. Finally, adjust your headrest. The center of the headrest should ideally be level with the top of your ears, providing crucial protection in a rear-end collision. With your seat perfectly set, adjust your steering wheel. Most Accords allow you to tilt and telescope the wheel. Position it so your wrists rest on the top of the wheel when your arms are extended, and you can clearly see your gauges. Lastly, set your side mirrors so you can just barely see the rear corner of your car, minimizing blind spots. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your car and home spotless. Enjoy your comfortable and safe drive.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.